Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something crucial to winning with money budgeting. Budgeting is about taking control of your money, telling it where to go instead of wondering where it went. It's the foundation for achieving your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, getting out of debt, or retiring like a boss. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or trying to cut down on expenses, budgeting helps keep you in control. Stick around as we share 5 simple steps to budget better and save smarter. Alright, step number 1 to getting a grip on your finances is knowing where your money is actually going. I'm talking about tracking every single dollar that comes in and goes out. Think of it like this. If you're trying to lose weight, the first thing you do is track what you eat, right? Same thing with your money. List out all your sources of income, your paycheck, side hustles, that lucky lottery ticket you found on the ground. Hey, you never know. Then comes the not-so-fun part, listing out your expenses. Rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, those daily trips to the coffee shop, write it all down. Once you see where your money is going, you'll be in a much better position to make changes and start winning. Now that you've got a handle on where your money's going, it's time to talk about where you want it to take you. That's right, we're talking about setting financial goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve is like having a financial GPS guiding you towards success. Write down your goals. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying I want to save more money, say I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a new car in the next 2 years. When you have a specific and measurable goal, it's easier to stay motivated and track your progress. Remember, your goals are personal. Focus on what matters to you and create a plan to make it happen. Now it's time to talk about the B word, budgeting. I know, some of you might be rolling your eyes, but hear me out. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself or living like a monk. It's about having a plan for your money so you can achieve those awesome financial goals we just talked about. One of my favorite budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your after-tax income goes towards your needs. Then, 30% goes towards your wants. Finally, 20% goes straight to savings and investments. The key is to find a balance that works for you and allows you to enjoy life while making progress towards your financial goals. Now let's talk about trimming the fat. It's time to take a good hard look at where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness. Start by looking at your bank statements and credit card bills. Are you subscribed to a bunch of streaming services you barely use? Do you have a gym membership you haven't used in months? Are you eating out more than you're cooking at home? These little expenses might not seem like a big deal individually, but they can add up to a significant amount of money over time. Instead of mindlessly spending on things you don't really need, redirect that money towards your financial goals. Trust me, you'll feel much better knowing your money is working for you instead of just disappearing into thin air. Alright folks, we've arrived at the final step, automating your savings. This one's a game changer and it's going to make your life so much easier. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you take the decision-making process out of the equation. The money gets stashed away before you even have a chance to spend it, making it a whole lot easier to reach your savings goals. Start by deciding how much you want to save each month. Even if it's a small amount, it's better than nothing. Then set up an automatic transfer to coincide with your payday. Think of it like this. You're paying yourself first. You're prioritizing your financial future and making sure you're consistently working towards your goals. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. There you have it, folks. 5 simple steps to manage your budget effectively and start winning with money. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about taking control of your finances and making your money work for you. Start by tracking your income and expenses, set clear financial goals, create a realistic budget, identify areas where you can cut back, and automate your savings. It's time to ditch the financial stress and embrace a future filled with financial freedom and peace of mind. You've got this! Like, subscribe and comment below with your favorite budgeting tip.